In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change the display filter on your Chromebook device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is open up the launcher menu, and you want to search for settings. Best result should come back with settings here. Open that up, and then on the left panel, you want to scroll down and select accessibility. On the right side now, select display and magnification. Color correction, go ahead and toggle that on. And then you can adjust the filter then by clicking this drop down next to filter, what kind of color filter you're looking for. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.